Introducing the LocalAI Fleet Bundle Deal, your all-in-one solution to boost local business revenue effortlessly. This exclusive package offers over $300 in savings, but only for today and the first 50 buyers. With LocalAI Fleet, you can deploy AI employees that handle lead generation, SMS follow-ups, and appointment bookings, essentially automating your clients' outreach processes. Designed to eliminate technical headaches, simply set up your system in 8 minutes and start converting leads into paying customers seamlessly. Whether you run a marketing agency or are an entrepreneur, this tool is built for everyone. No coding or tech expertise required. Plus, you won't miss out on opportunities as your AI works 24/7, ensuring no lead goes unattended. The demand for automated follow-up services is soaring, and with this bundle, you can position yourself as the go-to AI expert in your local market. Don't let this chance slip away. Become a leader in your industry today. This is an amazing tool that is definitely worth investing in. This is a limited time offer and something you do not want to miss out on, so hurry before it is too late.